Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We're from Group 10. We're gonna present about our project. It's called Pet Shop. So the first thing, I'm gonna introduce my team first. The first one is Iman Utama, and the second one is Reza Hans Latif, and myself, Raffi Ardian Yusuf. So, Pet Shop is a store engaged in the sale, care to animal care. People used to call it pet shop. This pet shop provides convenience for animal owners or lovers, good for finding pet needs to daycare when the owner is not home. This is the schematic diagram. So this whole table is connected to transaction 1. So there's food table, staff, member, accessories, and treat connected to transaction 1 in the center of this table. The next thing is table design. In the member info table, there is ID member info, member birth, member gender, member tel, member add for member address, and member status. And for the member table, there is ID member info, and member name. And in staff info table, there is ID staff info, staff gender, staff birth, staff tel, staff address or add, and staff status. And for the staff table, there is ID staff info, and staff name. Ini udah slide ke berapa?
7 nih, Iman ini, Iman.
Oh ya, salah. Udah, lanjut.
Man on mic, man. Buset,
Man on mic.
agak on mic. Ini bocah ngapa, Cok?
Food info table. Hah?
Lanjut.
Food info table. Field name, ID food info, food type, food name, food expired, and food stock. Next. Food table. The field name is ID food info, food category, and food name. Next. Treat info table. The field name is ID treat info, treat type, treat name, treat pickup, and treat drop. Treat table. The field name is ID treat info, treat category, and treat name. Next. Transaction 1 table. The field name is ID member info, ID staff info, ID food info, ID treat info, ID accessories info, food name, quantity, loan date, and due date. Next. Accessories info table. The field name is ID accessories info, accessories type, accessories name, and accessories stock. Accessories table. The field name is ID accessories info, accessories category, and accessories name. Next. Member info table. The validation required is ID member info should be in this format. Member birth, member gender, member address should not be the left blank. Next, member tel should be in this format. Member table. Validation required. ID member should be in this format. Member name should not be the left blank. And ID member info should be in this format. Next. Staff info table. Validation required. ID staff info should be in this format. Staff birth, staff gender, staff address should not be the left blank. And staff tel should be in this format. Staff table. Validation required. First, ID staff should be in this format. Staff name should not be the left blank, and ID staff info should be in this format.
Validation performance. Treat info table. Validation required. ID treat info should be in this format. Treat info, treat name, treat pickup, treat drop should not be the left blank. Next. Treatable validation request ID treat should be in this format. Treat info, treat category should not be the leave blank. ID treat info should be in this format. Next. Staff info table. Validation request. ID staff info should be in this format. Staff gender, staff birth, staff pet, staff status should not be the leave blank. Staff type should be in this format. Next. Staff table. ID staff should be in this format. Staff name should not be the left blank. ID staff info should be in this format. Next. Food info table. ID food info should be in this format. Food type, food expired, food stock should not be the left blank. Next. Food table. Validation request. ID food should be in this format. Food category, food name should not be the left blank. ID food info should be in this format. Next. Accessories table. Validation request. ID accessories info should be in this format. Accessories type, accessories name, accessories stock should not be the left blank. Next. Accessories table. Validation required. ID accessories should be in this format. Accessories category, accessories name should not be the left blank. ID accessories info should be in this format. Next. This is schema diagram, transaction table, validation required. ID member should be in this format. For food name, quantity, loan date, due date should not be the left blank. ID member info should be in this format. ID staff should be in this format. ID staff info should be in this format. ID food should be in this format. ID food info should be in this format. ID treat should be in this format. ID treat info should be in this format. ID accessories should be in this format. ID accessories info should be in this format. Next. Thank you. Thanks your audience, and that brings us to the end. I'd like to thank you for your time and attention today. Thank you so much for your interest and attention at this time. I'd like to have colleagues speak. I will finish up by saying thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.